Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. How are you today? I hope you all are fit and fine. Pohela Boishakh is a very special day in Bangladesh. It is the first day of the Bengali New Year. Today, my beautiful students wear new clothes and celebrate with their friends and teachers. Today's morning, we cook the most popular foods. Is called panta bhat, which is fermented rice soaked in water. Students come together to share this special meal. Students receive gifts and blessing from elders. Pohela Boishakh is not just a day to celebrate the new year, but it is also a day to celebrate the rich culture and traditions of Bangladesh. It is a day of unity and happiness, and everyone looks forward to it all year long.